Hey guys, welcome back. Another video today. We're going to be going over NQ manual strategy today. We're just going to be back testing. Some people wanted us to do some back testing on this, so we're going to do that. I have some random days pulled up here. This is June 23rd is the start. I think we got like 3 or 4 days on here, maybe a little less, probably 2 or 3 days. So we're just going to do a little bit of back testing for a couple days and see how it is. So we have our Excel sheet pulled up here. And we're just going to do the same thing we did the other day, basically, okay? So we'll highlight it. We'll highlight that. So this is June 23rd. Okay, so June 23rd. Let's put it green half and half here. So the way we're going to be testing this is we are going to be doing it with 75 delta. So 75 delta in the opposite direction. So obviously we'll be able to tell if 100 delta is better, but we're just going to do 75 for now. And basically, so this market opens here. Now we're looking for 75 negative delta on an up candle or 75 positive delta on a down candle, okay? So, and we're just going to go for 1 candle of profit. So that'd be approximately 8 points. We are on a 32 range. So 8 points. So entry would be on this first candle. We have 76 positive delta. So we're looking for a down move. So we go short here at 15,000. 51.5. Our exit 15,000. 45.5. So we gained, I guess that's 6 points. Am I dumb? Must be dumb. That's okay. We're just looking for 1 candle profit though, so that's gonna be 6 points gain there. Total profit's gonna be equal to this times 20. So this will be our profit column. So let's put this into dollars there. Delta was 76. So now we'll just keep scrolling along. Look for our next trade. Looks like we have one here. Entry at 1563.5. Exit at 15,055.75. Again, this is just real random here. So like random days I'm saying. So we can do this. That was 7.75 points of profit. That times 20. That delta number was 77. Keep scrolling along. And yeah, again, we're just testing some any day, really. I'm gonna do a more in-depth back test, but so here would have been a loss. So that is at 1571. And then we would stop out above this candle, so 79. So that would have been a 8-point loss. Guess I should do this. So it's actually -8 there. So that'd be boom times 20. Messed it up still. Boom times 20. There we go. $160 loss. That was a 81 delta. First loss there. So the way we're doing it is we're looking for 1 candle to close down or us to close back above the candle where we entered, okay? Keep scrolling. Not seeing anything here. Here we have one. Entry at 1527. Exit at 1519.75, which means you would have gotten about 7.25 points of gain. So your total win there, you have, or total delta, 140. Here we have another trade here. So we're gonna say we're at least going for 6 points. So this candle, obviously, I'm not gonna take 3 points profit there. So we'll say minimum 6 points. I'm just kind of going with the flow here. Here we're gonna say we entered at 1522, exited. You know what? How about we make this rule? We'll do if the immediate next candle after we enter does not goes up like this candle. So we entered here. This goes up, but not by 6 points. Then we'll exit on the next candle if it goes up. So this is 1532, we'll say. So that's 10 points gain. If that made any sense. So if we entered here, we're looking for the next candle to go up or down 6 points. And then if it doesn't, we wait one more candle to see if it does. Or we could just exit it for 6 points. We'll just say 6. Because I want to keep it simple. I'm just changing stuff up all the time. That was 148 delta. Gonna keep going along here. So we have news at 9:45, so we're gonna fast forward 5 minutes because that's what you should do. Don't trade 5 minutes. Looks like this is basically 5 minutes after. If you want to count the seconds, that's fine. This is 10 seconds before 5 minutes. So basically wait 5 minutes. That's basically it. Here we enter 14.99. I'll just say 14.996. Exit would have been about 14. We'll say 14.90 for 6 points, roughly. Depends where you're going, what you're going for. 6 to 8 points. Again, we're just kind of all over the place. NQ's a little trickier. Not as, I mean, we could just go for a 6 point win, 6 point loss kind of thing. But all right, here we go again. 14.996.5, and take profit next candle. 14.988.75. That is a 7.75 points gained. This is working really well so far. And we're getting a lot of trades. A lot more than, yes. All right, so this one, we entered at 15.5. Okay, and our stop loss is now under this candle. We never hit that, so we're going for 6 points, basically. So we exit at 15.21.5, which is 6 points. So we either exit for 6 points or immediately the next candle if it's a nice move. So if this candle went straight up and we got 6 to 8 points, we'd exit. Otherwise, we're waiting for that 6 point. All right, so that was 137 delta. Here we have a loss. So we enter at 15.13 and we exit 15.21. So that's going to be a 8 point loss. Let me change this to -8. -8. And that was 92 delta. So far, our only 2 losses are under 100 delta, so we'll keep that in mind. Okay. But we're going to keep using 75 for now. So here we go. Another loss. Enter at 1518.25. Exit. We were in profit a little bit, about 4 points. Exit is 1526.25. That's a -8, which is 160. Delta was 110. There we go. All right, here's a win, 1519.5. Exit next candle, about 6 points. So 1525.5. 6-point gain. So loss is a little bigger than the win. As long as we win more, right? So here is another loss, so 1527.5. There's a lot of trades here. Maybe we'll just, yeah, I don't know, a lot of trades. Exit 1535.5, 8-point loss. Getting some losses here on this uptrend move because it's trying to short. All right, here is a win. So 1559, about a 6-point win. 1559 up to 1565. That's a 6-point gain. That was 136 delta. Keep scrolling. You can kind of see, you can start to recognize patterns. So the lower the delta, the less it's working right now. Anything under 110 hasn't been as good. Here we have 76 positive delta, so that means our 75 criteria for this testing. So that's a 1564 entry. Exit 1555.75. So that's going to be a little bit bigger of a win. 8.25 points, because it was a big steady drop there. Immediately the next candle. So there we go. Rolling. All right, so this one luckily double bottom, so we entered at 1541. Stop loss under the candle, should have been 32.75. We bottomed at 33, so we would have taken profit about 1548 on this candle here, right? And that candle close, 1548, about 7 points. And again, this is rough estimates. NQ moves really fast, right? So might have to try and find a way to automate this, which I will definitely look into if this is looking profitable. Just looking for anything like above 75 delta here. That's meets our criteria. Start to go faster. This one's 70, not quite our criteria. We're going to be strict on that 75. Strict on that 75. So these trades were like all within the first hour. So I guess, let's just look up till 11 o'clock for this. Let's just look up to 11 o'clock. So total profit till 9:30 to 11 a.m. Total profit is going to be equal to $840. Average delta 115. Total points gained 74 points gained, lost 32. So again, this is trading one contract, so that's basically an hour and a half of trading 840. So let's fast forward. I'm sure, other trades you could have taken there. Is this just one day? Just one day. So let's load up another day here. I'm not even on playback. This is just I was on Friday, I think. Load up playback. Use NQ here, and we'll choose Monday the 19th. And here. Okay. load that up there. So we chose the 20th. We'll do this. Boom. There's a tricky way to do this. Make it fast. Alrighty. That should be good now. Alright. So this is now the 19th. So we'll look at the 19th from 9:30 till 11. So this is June 19th. And now let's start again. So we're looking for that 75 delta here in the opposite. So here we go. First entry of the day at 15,263. 15,263. Exit at 15,269.5. So that's about 6.5 points profit, which is $130 with one contract. Now we'll keep looking. So first one's a win. These close don't meet our criterias of 75. We're hard on that 75. Okay, here's a loss. 15,272.5. We were in a little bit of profit there. We closed at 15,280.75, which is 8.25 points of a loss. Put a negative in front of that. I'm making this hard on myself. So if this is a boring video, get out of here. But I'm giving you guys free strategy. Alright, so that was a loss. So basically down 35 bucks on the day. So next entry would have been here, 79 positive delta, so 15,283.25. Let's see. That is a win. 15,278 would have been, we'll say we got about 6 points there. What is that? 15,277.25. So we would have gotten anywhere from 6 to 8 points of profit there, minimum. Oops, so that was 79 delta. So now we're back up on the day. Again, some days will work much better than other days, so that's fine. Pretty sure. Let's see. Here's one. I want to check. This is the 19th. Did we have news on the 19th? We did not. Okay. Okay, so this entry 15,221.75 stop out would have been 15,229.5, which is 8.25, which is a $165 loss. That was with 106 delta. So 2 losses, 2 wins, break even base. You're down a little bit on the day. Down a little bit. Again, we're going till 11 o'clock here. First hour and a half of the market. Again, some days will work better than other days. This one, 15,184.5. You should have stopped out at 15,176.25, which would have been this minus this, 8.25 points of a loss again. And that was with a 123 delta. So today definitely not as good as the other day we tested. But we're gonna keep going along. So here you would have gotten your 6 points gain. So we're going to say you either exit at 6 points, about 6 points, or yeah. So this one would have gotten your 6 points, 15, 1, 5, 1.5. I'm being kind of inconsistent with these. You actually wouldn't have gotten your 6 points. You would have gotten 5 points. So that would have stopped you out. 15, 143.25. Again. So this day, not good. 15, 130.75. Exit above this candle, 15, 139, which would have been again 8.25 points of loss. So I've never looked at this strategy. People just asked me to, so this is what we're doing. Here's a win. I think. No. You would have entered around 46.5-ish. So missed that again. But then you would have won this trade. We're just going to call that break even. I'm not going to put that in, so you would have lost this trade, won that trade. We're just going to call that break even. This one is a winner from 15,140.5 up to 15,147.25. So that is going to be, oops, I put in the wrong number. Okay. 6.75 points gain. And that's with a 166 delta. So that was a close call, but still worked fine. This day is basically up. Another loss here. A lot of losses. A lot of losses. 15,156. You would have stopped out. 15,147.75 would have been another 8.25. Okay, and that was 163 delta. In the day, okay, so one trade here, 15,154.75. Exit. Should do an 8.25 TP and 8.25 stop loss. That's what it should be doing, but let's just do that, I guess. I don't know. 6 points. That's 15,148.25. So yeah, we should change it to just do it 8.25 to 8.25, so it's a 1-to-1. So mark, that's it for that day. So total points gained there. Total points lost there. So we are down quite a bit, 475 on the day. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than that, honestly. It was going to be a lot worse than that. So now we'll fast forward. It's like we needed to add another day. So we'll do one more day. So we need to do playback. Pull the playback up. Yeah, market data. NQ. The 21st. All right. Well. Let's see. Disconnect. And let's import Oracle data. I want to do one more day just to see how it is here. All right, playback. Do NQ. We want. All right. Alrighty. So this was the 20. Oh my lord. What is it showing here? 23rd? That's not what we want. So we just did the 19th. So we want to do the 20th now. Try and get that to work. Sometimes this is real finicky. So what day is this? This is June 20th. Okay. So market opens there. Let's put it in. All right. And now we're off. We're looking. First one is a win. 15. Oop. No. 15,263. On this day, let's do the 8.25 points win, 8.25 points loss. So 63 would have been 71.25. Which is 8.25. So that was 115. Okay. We're just gonna do a 1-to-1 today. A 1-to-1. Is there a measuring? There's a do this risk reward tool. We can do it. We can do ticks. That'd be. We change how many ticks. I don't know how this works, honestly. Just keep going. Keep doing the same thing. This is a loss, 8.25. So this is 15,272.5. Stop at 15,280.75 minus 8.25. Now we're break even on the day. And here entry 15,283.25. That'd be I would hit it. It'd be 75. We're gonna count that. So 15,275 would have been 8.25. Depends on your fill, right? But that's close enough to call a win. Gonna do the first hour and a half. Getting a lot of divergence trades, but none that stick to the rule. Okay, another loss, 15,221.25. 15,229.5. So we are break even on the day now. Keep going. So you might want to, mess with the delta numbers on these. To see what ones work the best. We'll take a look at the end, but another loss. Now we are down One trade on the day. There's a win right there. Oh, but we had a loss that we just missed as well. We'll put that in. 15. You know, I'm actually just not gonna put either one in. We'll just call them break even. I want to put in all those. Here's a loss. So that's at 15, 130.75. We would stop out at 15, 139. Again, minus 8.25. So this is not looking great, gotta be honest. Some days work, some days don't. This one would have stopped us. That one would have won. Call it break even again. This one, 15, 140. That would have won, barely. So 15, 140.5, 15, 148.75. Got some close calls, but yeah, some days work great. Looks like some days won't. This one, another loss here. 15, 155.75. 15, 147.5. That's 8.25. 168 or 163, whatever. And one final trade to win off on the day. So 15, 154.75. Whatever that is, plus 8.25. Well, I didn't want to, it was a short trade, but that's okay. All right, so final day, we'll say. Definitely, I think the ES one was better so far. Have to do more testing because NQ has a lot more trades. So you're down this day as well. So technically you are up total from the 3 days by a little bit, but not by much. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. It was kind of long, maybe a little boring, but just some back testing. And I think ES works better, but we'll take a more look into it. Otherwise, guys, have a good one, and we'll see ya.